everyone, this is Jacob back from Deadpool Sanders. And remember that Furby contest thing that I did? Well, now that contest is closed. I have all the nominees' names written down on this piece piece of paper, and they're from YouTube and Facebook. Now let's start off with from YouTube. And from YouTube we have Donna Chapman, who writes Midnight Sanders. And we have C. Gibson, also from YouTube, who writes, C. Gibson 2990, who writes Darkness. And now from Facebook. From Facebook we have Heather Chapman, who writes Inkspot. And also we have Tony Sanders Bush, who writes Black Magic or Nulu. And the winner is Tony Sanders Bush. Congratulations. His name is now Nulu. And yeah, that's really it. His name's Nulu now. He'll pop up. Nulu here will pop up in some more videos. Maybe like in a wrestling video or a review video or something. Or maybe one of my silly little videos. Don't fall. Don't fall, Nulu. And yeah, so congratulations, Tony Sanders Bush. His name is now Nulu. So yeah, guys, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, comment. And I will be doing some more contest videos, wrestling videos very, very, very soon. Okay? And yeah, so once again, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Peace.